Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good time to all of you. How are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. Thank you for everything. I hope all are fit and fine. So now I am going to talk about myself. Who am I? My name is Sajidul Islam. You can say different. This is a Sajidul Islam. So I'm from Borishal, but I live at Mirpur in Dhaka. I grew up in Borishal, but now I live at Mirpur in Dhaka. So actually, I am a student. I am studying in class Daura Hadith at Markaz Yahu Sunnah in Narangas. So now I am preparing myself for Islamic scholar. Right now, I am serving as a teacher at Madan Hifzul Quran Madrasa in Dhaka. Basically, I am a sports lover. I love to play football. I love to play cricket. I love to badminton. It's make me self-strong. That's why I try to regular playing. So I like to read books and recite the Holy Quran, and sometime I read newspaper, motivational books in my free time because it makes me self-motivated. That's why. So I like traveling. Sometime I go another place. Then I don't like. Actually, I don't like smoking, wasting time. I try to all time. How can I spend my time with study? So that's why I don't like wasting time, and I don't like dishonest people and corruption people. So I have a long future plan. I want to be a Islamic scholar. It's my dream and it's my target. So I request my audience, you pray for me because I want to